doing today? Today we are going to check out another LiDAR-based robot vacuum with a self-empty bin. This is the Ultenic T10. Now this is very similar to a lot of the same style robot vacuums out there, like the Ultenic M7 Pro. Now is that a bad thing? Not really, because the M7 Pro is actually a really good robot. So they definitely look different. This is a lot newer than the M7 Pro was, so there's probably some different hardware inside. The self-empty bin might be redesigned. I have about 5 of these now and they all look somewhat similar. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see like a self-empty bin type video where I put all these same style bins in the same test and see if one performs better than the other. Or vice versa, do a full test and see if they all perform the same. So this offers 3000 PA suction. It does have the larger 5200 milliamp hour battery, which is really good. I think that's a must for all robot vacuums personally. Right now it's $500 with an $80 off coupon, so you can get it for $420 on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description if you're interested in it. And let's go ahead and unbox this and see what you get. Alright, first off, of course you get the manuals. There's also a cleaning tool at the bottom, and that has a razor blade in it as well to slice across the brush roll if any hair gets entangled. And I forgot to mention this is also a mop. So on the top of the robot package you do get an extra mopping pad, and this is washable. Here's the robot vacuum itself. Comes with kind of like a quick start type guide on top. It's got the QR code for the app and it tells a little bit about it. This does have multi-floor maps. This also has auto carpet boost, so it will increase suction when it senses carpet, which is really nice. Works with Alexa. Alright, so I am a big fan of white robots. I don't know why, I just think they look cooler, look a little bit cleaner. So one thing I always do with these LiDAR-based robots, I want to see if this LiDAR dome is clickable. And if it is, what that does is it will stop it from going underneath a couch or like underneath a bed frame, so the robot won't get stuck and potentially damage itself. So it does have the clicky top, which is great, and if it bumps on the side as well, it'll tell the robot to back off and kind of stay away from that area. So it is a single side brush vacuum, which I think overall is a little bit better, especially on hard floors. It will not flick as much debris as the dual-sided robots will. Let's go ahead and check out the dirt bin. Alright, so this is a combo unit. So it has the dirt bin as well as the water reservoir for the mopping attachment. This does have the mesh screen that I like, makes it a little bit easier to clean, and will make your filter last quite a bit longer. Here is the port on the back that will suck out all the debris from the self-empty bin. Alright, also in the box, this is the mopping plate. This is where you attach your mopping pad. It does come with an extra side brush. Also comes with a remote control in case you don't want to use the app. Batteries for the remote control. An extra air filter for the dirt bin. Of course, the power cord for the self-empty bin. Alright, here's the self-empty bin. A little bit different redesign. Pretty good looking unit. Simply plugs in the back with a standard power cord. Pops right open. And it does have a vacuuming bag inside already. And then this unit will also come with 2 extra self-empty bin bags, which is really nice to have. And that is all that's in the box. Alright guys, that's just going to be a quick unboxing for the Ultenic T10. Let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you'd like to see about this robot vacuum. I was thinking in a later video, let me know if you guys want to see this. There's so many of these robot vacuums that look just like this, which is not a bad thing because every single one I've tested has been really good at what it's supposed to do. Does anybody want me to line up a few of them, take apart like the bottom cover and kind of get into the guts of the robot vacuum and see if they use the same parts, what they interchange, what's better on some that's not as good on the others, and all that fun stuff. Let me know if you guys would like to see a video like that. And if you do, I'll definitely make that happen. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you learned anything or liked this video, definitely like the smash button. Consider subscribing. And don't forget, your life, you define it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day.